Okay, let's come back once again, and today we will start with exercise 14.2. That is page number 262, and it is under statistics. Please keep in mind this is going to be one very simple chapter. Okay, very simple chapter, and most probably if you pay attention to this chapter, this is going to solve, in fact to a great extent, this chapter will solve much of your headache. So please make sure that you are thorough with this chapter, that is chapter 14. In B1, the question is given as the blood groups of 30 students of class 8 are recorded as follows: A, B, O, O, AB, OA, OB, A, and so on. Represent this data in the form of a frequency distribution table. Which is the most common and which is the rarest blood group among these students? Okay, so remember in this they have given the blood group of 30 students. Okay, they have given the blood group of 30 students. Now we have to represent the given information in the form of a frequency distribution. I'm sure you all have done this in the previous classes also, and you will find it very simple and easy to do this. So how do we do? Have a look. First one, I'll put it as blood group. Okay, the first column I'll put it as blood group, and the second one I'll put it as tally bars, right? Tally bars. And the third one I'll put it as frequency. Blood group, tally bars, and frequency. Okay, now you have A, B, O, and AB. So there are 4 blood groups. Okay, the first blood group is A, and then you have got B, and then you have got O, and then you have got AB. So these are the 4 blood groups that you have got: A, B, O, and AB. So what will you do? It's very simple. Now we start cutting. You have seen this A, the first one is A, so I give 1 bar here. B, so next one is B, next one is OO, so I give OO, next is AB, AB, next again is O, so I give it on O, next is A, okay, A, next is O, O, next is B, so I give it on B, next is A, so I give it on A, next is O, so I give it on O. So remember, this is the place: 1, 2, 3, 4. So moment it comes 5, you have to cross it over. Next is B, so B, next is A, so A, next is OO, so OO, next is A, so once again 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is 5. Next is AB, one more, next is O, right? O, next is AA, so AA, next is OO, so OO, right? Next is AB, so AB, next is B, so B, next is A, right? So A, next is O, so O, next is B, right? So B, next is A, so A, next is B, so B, next is O, so O. Now let's count. Okay, 5, this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I have got 9 of the students in blood group A, and then I have got 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, and cross 5 plus 1, 6 in B. I have got 5, 10, and 12 in O, and 3 in what is called AB. So let's count now: 12 plus 6, 18, 19, 20, 21 plus 9, 30, right? So over here I have the total, right? I have the total 30. So this is what we call it as the frequency distribution. Now over here you will see, so this is the frequency, right? The question was form of frequency distribution table. So what you see here is a frequency distribution table. keep in mind there are 30 students, so the total should be 30, right? Sometimes it may so happen that you may have changed the numbers and the total comes correct, so you need to be very careful. Even if the total is correct, but if there are mistakes in the frequency, then it can also be wrong. For example, here I have written 6, and if there is a mistake, instead of 6 I write 5 here, and then here is supposed to be 12, so since 5 here and 13 here, so that can be, so if one gets wrong, actually there will be also one more which will be wrong. So you need to be very careful when you are creating the bars. Okay, so 30. Then the next part of the question is uh, which is the most common and which is the rarest blood group among these two students? Which is the most common? So you find that the highest frequency is what? The highest frequency over here is 12. So this is the most common, right? The most common blood group is O, okay? And the rarest, and this is the lowest, right? 3. So the rarest blood group is AB, right? So the highest frequency is 12 here. So this is the most common blood group, which is O, okay? This is the frequency is the least, so this is the rarest blood group, and that is what? That is AB, right? One more thing that you need to keep in mind, this is an ungrouped frequency. It is not in groups, okay? A, B, O, they are all separate, so it is not in the form of groups, so ungrouped. Because we are also going to do in the next question, and in the next question it will be what? It will be grouped frequency. This is ungrouped, okay? Let's move on to question number 2. The question number 2 is the distance in kilometer of 40 engineers from their residence to their place of work were found as follows. Okay, so they have given the distance 5, 3, 10 and so on. Construct a group frequency distribution table with the class size 5 for the data given above, taking the first interval as 0 to 5, 5 not included. What main features do you observe from this tabular representation? Now over here the most important thing is construct a grouped frequency distribution table with the class size 5 of the data given above, taking the first interval as 0 to 5. So in this case, since it is a group frequency, so what we'll do is we'll start with class interval. Okay, class interval. Then we have got here tally bars, okay, tally bars, and then we have got what? We have got frequency. Okay, so class interval. Now they are saying that the first class interval, okay, the first class interval should be how much? The first class interval should be uh, 0 to 5. Okay, so they have given the first one, so 0 to 5. Okay, let's keep this as 0 to 5. Now class size 5. What do you mean by class size? When you subtract, this is called as the 0 over here is the lower limit and 5 over here is the upper limit. Okay, 0 is lower limit and 5 is upper limit. When you subtract these two, 5 minus 0, you get 5. Now that is what is the class, what they call it as the class interval. Okay, sorry, not class interval, class size 0 to 5. 5 minus 0, 5. So 0 to 5. Then in that one, the highest number, if you look, it will be 5, 9, 7, 12. You will find that I can see 25, I can see 32. I think 32 is the highest. So what I'll do is 0 to 5. Then next one will come 5 to 10, 10 to 15. Okay, 10 to 15. Next will be 15 to 20. Okay, next will be 15 to 20. After that, what will come? After that, it will be 20 to 25, right? 20 to 25. Next will be 25 to 30. Okay, next would be 30 to 35. 30 to 35, right? 0 to 5. Now please keep in mind, very important, 0 to 5. Now here is 5 and here also is 5. So where will you put 5? Though you are mentioning 0 to 5, but here you can put only the numbers from the numbers like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 is not included. Okay, if the number is 5, it should come here, right? 10. So 5 to 10 means you can put only from 5 to 9. 10 should be here. So that is a very important thing, and that is why in the question also it is mentioned 5 not included. First one is 5. So 5 I'll cut here. 0 to 5, sorry, not 5. Okay, sorry, 5, right? So 5 should not come here, but instead it should come here. 5, 19, 19, 15, 20, 19. Then you have got 7, 7 also will be here. Then you have got 12, right? 12, 10 to 15, 12. Then you have got 3, 10, 9, 14, 3, 3 will be here. 10, 10 will not be here, but here. 3, 10, 9, 9 will be here. 14, 14 will be here. Then you have got 10, 12, 7, 2, 10, okay? 10, 12, right? 12 will be here. 7, 7 will be here, so cut. 7, 2, 2 will be here, right? Then you have got 20, 17, 8, 9, 20. 20 will not be here, but here. 20, 17, right? 8, 8, 8 will be here, and 9 also will be here, right? 25, 18, 3, 6, 25. 25 will not be here, but here. 25, right? 18, 18, 18 will be here. 25, 18, 3, 3 is here. 6, 6 is here, okay? 11, 11, 5, 15, 11, 11 will be here. 11, 5, 15, 5, 5 will not be here, but here. 5, 15, 15 will not be here, but here. 15. Then 13, 32, 13, 13, 13, 32, okay? 12, 15, 12, 12 will be here. 15 will be here, right? Then 7, 17, 15, 7, 7, 7, 17, right? 15, right? 7, 17, 15, 7, 7 will be here, right? 12, 16, 18, 12, 12 will be here. 16 will be here. 18 also will be here. 6, 6 will be here, right? Then 31, 2, 3, 2, 31, 31, 31 will be here. 3 will be here. 2 also will be here. 31, 3, and 12, right? 12, 12, 12, 12, cut. So now this one I get it as 5, 5, 10, 12, right? This one I get it as 10. This one I get it as 9. And this is 1, this is 1, this is 2. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 plus 10, 23. 23 plus 10, 33, 34, 35 plus 5, 40. So total is 40, and there are 40 engineers, okay? Total is 40. Now, so you understand when you have a class interval like this, right? In group frequency, you have a class interval like this, 0 to 5, 5 to 10. Over here they have given the first class interval, so you can make the next one. Now even if they don't give, no issues, you can make the class interval on your own, right? Now what main feature do you observe from this tabular representation? What main feature? You find here that the most of the engineers, right? Most of the engineers are in a distance. How far do they live, right? How far is the residence from their working place? You find that most of the engineers, their residence is between what? Their residence is between 5 to 10 kilometers from their working place, right? Most of their residence is between a distance of 5 to 10 kilometers from their working place, okay? And then you hardly have, right? And there are two engineers who are at a distance of 30 to 35 kilometers, right? Having done this problem, now you can try for yourself question number 3. Construct a group distribution table with 84 to 86, 86 to 88. Should you start from 84 to 86? You have to check out if 84 is the lowest, right? Yeah, 84 to 86. Okay, 84 to 86, 86 to 88. Then will be 88 to 90, 90 to 92, 92 to 94, 94 to 96, 96 to 98, 98 to 100, because you have 98.1. 98.1 means it will come between what? 98 to 100. And then similarly question number 4, question number 5, right? Question number 6. Okay, so I have done question number 2. Now you need to do for yourself question number 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, 7, 8 and 9. Right now you may think, sir, you are giving so much of the work, but please keep in mind all these problems are of the same type. That is why I am asking you to do it for yourself. Thank you.